Hi, this is Rebecca Kroll, co-author of Cold Wax Medium, Techniques, Concepts, and Conversations, and co-producer of Cold Wax Medium, a video workshop. Welcome to Ask Jerry and Rebecca, a video series answering all your questions about Cold Wax Medium. Hi, and welcome to Ask Jerry and Rebecca. I'm talking to you from Cascina Rodiani in Jezzo, Italy, in the studio of our dear friend Mima, who runs this place. And today's question comes from several people in different ways, and they are Marge Watkins, Sherry Groom, and Dottie Seymour. And the basic idea that all these people want to know is, how do you thin the paint to make drips or glazes, thin applications of paint? And I'll take the glazing question first, and this is a technique that would enable you to put a thin layer of paint and wax over an area that you're painting so you could change the color of it. And this can be done lots of ways. You can just use transparent paint and wax. So the paint itself is providing the transparency. You can thin paint with Galkyd or Gamsol, and that makes it thinner and more transparent. I also like to use RNF sticks that are transparent and put some kind of scribble some lines down and then pull it across with a squeegee. And that makes a beautiful transparent glaze. The question about dripping, really you're just trying to get a consistency of the paint that will obviously have some ability to run when you tip the painting up. And this again can be done with straight Gamsol. You could use Galkyd. And there really aren't formulas or definite amounts. It's a matter of what you want. So if you want it to be more thicker looking, you'd use less solvent or Galkyd, but to the point where it would still run. If you want it quite thin, go ahead and add whatever, there's no particular necessary formula for that. So I hope that answers your questions, and thank you very much.
And I'm going to peek in because I was listening. Somebody had asked about using alcohol. They had tried to make a liquid mixture by mixing alcohol and oil paints and then trying to pour it. And what they found was that the two don't mix together. And that's true. You need to dilute oil paint with either solvent or Galkyd or one of the mediums that's specifically made for oil. So things like alcohol, acetone, stuff like that, they're not going to dissolve it. So just abandon that altogether unless you're using water-soluble oils, and then you could use water if you want to dilute them down like that. So I sneaked in and added a little bit of information. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.